Journalist Debashish Barua passed away early on Monday at Agartala GB hospital. All the members of the Agartala Press Club paid their last tributes to journalist Debashish Barua on this day. It was known that journalist Debashish Barua was physically ill for a long time. He was admitted to the ICU when his physical condition deteriorated while undergoing treatment at Agartala GB hospital. But sadly, journalist Debashish Barua failed to fight for his life and died, failing all the efforts of doctors at GB hospital on Monday morning. Later, his dead body was taken from GB hospital to his home in Blue Lotus Club area in Doleshwar. From there, the body was taken to Agartala Press Club. Agartala Press Club editor Ramakanto De, President Jayanta Bhattacharya, former editor Pranab Sarkar, and other members of the press club paid their last respect to late journalist Debashish Barua at Agartala Press Club.
খুবই দুঃখের দিন আমাদের ছোট ভাই এবং প্রখ্যাত ফটো জার্নালিস্ট দেবাশিস বড়ুয়া মারা গেছে সেটা আমাদের পক্ষে সহ্য করা এই দুঃখের দিনে আমরা চাই যে তার আশার পদ্ধতিতে উনি বুদ্ধিস্ট ছিলেন এবং উনি বুদ্ধের শরণাপন্ন।
All of his colleague journalists paid respect and condolences to the family of the deceased journalist Debashish Barua. Reported by Pranab from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.